Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you log out on Instagram. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Instagram. After that, at the bottom of the page you have to click on your profile. And now at the top of the page on the right, you have to click on the three lines. And now you have to click on settings and privacy. Then you have to scroll down and you have to click on log out. Again, log out, you click on it. And that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!